If you use Firefox and you've ever wondered what Firefox Lists are on the homepage, this video is going to clear that up in a simple way. I'll show you exactly where to find the home settings, what each option does, and how to turn the features on or off based on what you want to see every time you open Firefox. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, go to the home page. This is the page you see when you open a new tab or when Firefox launches, depending on your settings. Now look toward the bottom right corner of the home page. You should see a Customize option. Click on the Customize and this will open the settings for what appears on your Firefox homepage. Inside this menu, you'll see all the different items that can be shown on the homepage. These are the things you can control to make Firefox feel more personal and more useful for your browsing style. The first option is Wallpapers. If you want your Firefox homepage to have a background image or a more customized look, you can enable wallpapers here. This is useful if you want a cleaner visual style or a more colorful homepage experience. The next option is Shortcuts. If you want quick access to your favorite websites, enable Shortcuts. These are the little tiles that appear on the homepage so you can open sites faster without typing them in every time. After that, you'll see Widgets. If you want extra useful information or small tools displayed on the homepage, you can turn widgets on. Depending on your Firefox version, this may include helpful content or quick access items that improve the browsing experience. Then there's recommended stories. If you want Firefox to show suggested articles and content on the homepage, enable recommended stories. This is a good option if you like having fresh reading suggestions available as soon as you open the browser. If you don't want a certain section on the homepage, simply leave that option turned off. That way, your Firefox homepage stays simple and only shows the things you actually use. Once you've chosen the options you want, you can close the Customize panel and your Firefox homepage will update automatically. So that's the basic idea behind Firefox Lists on the homepage and how the home customization options work. You can enable wallpapers, shortcuts, widgets, and recommended stories depending on the look and layout you prefer. If this helped you understand Firefox a little better, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.